So, good evening everyone. Ngayon naman, magbi-videoke kami. Dito kami sa bahay ni Bea. Kaya, let's go guys! So, ayan. Kami pa muna. Yung iba namin mga kasama dito, umalis muna. Kukuha daw sila ng native na manok. Pampulutan namin. So, konting, kantahan. May kumuha doon na native na manok. So, kakain kami ng native na manok. Ayan. So, ano nga ba ang mga ininom namin at kinain? Ayan. Pero hindi ako minom ng Red Horse. Ito lang. Flavor beer. Oh, shout out sa aking. Diba? Lisod na yun nagkuha sa itong hangin, day. Oh, diba? Ayun. Lisod na tayong umiri kung saan kukunin yung hangin.
Luwawali tayo, hindi na lang kasi nandun na yung Colors of the Wind. So, Colors of the Wind na lang yung ating kakantahin. Mataas dito mataas ditong kantang ko. Mataas dito. Subukan natin kung kaya lang.
Kaya naman siya.
Take you on whatever land you land on. Earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew, you never knew. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or rise to bring it back on windy green? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountains? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind?
Lip sync,
Come run the hidden pine trails of the forest. Come taste the sunset berries of the earth. Come rolling all the beaches all around you, and for once never wonder what there were. The rainstorm and the river are my brothers, and the Huron and the otter are my friends, and we are all connected to each other by a circle in a hope that never ends. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or let the eagle tell you where it's been? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? How high does the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. And you'll never hear the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, for whether we are white or copper skin, we just sing with all the voices of the mountain. It's a paint with all the colors of the wind. We can only hear and you're on your certainty. You can paint in all the colors of the wind. Yeah! May natapos na, simula natatapos na kanta.
Malayo daw siya at hindi daw masyadong makikita yung pagbuka niya. Ah, wind beneath my wings.
Yes, ang mga bahos.
Okay. Sige. simula at tapos. Ayan guys, oh. Agoy, native na manok yun kayo, oh. May nandiyan na, oh. Latang-alata pag native, oh. Kaya ang kuwan ba, no? Paa. Yeah. Diba? Siyempre, shout out sa atong chef. Shout out! Baka hindi ay. Baka naman makita niya to. Oy, shout out sa kuwan na niya. Shout out naman dyan. Baka pwede mo siyang i-chat. Baka pag nakita mo to, i-chat mo naman. Paki naman. Asa mga atay, ana ron?
Dia.
Oh?
Dia.
Asa man ana dia? Tara. Ano na ko? Oh, klaro kayo. Para sa madrina. Para sa madrina, walay pari dire. Ah, kanang itlog ko. Ay, itlog na niya. Ah, walay itlog. So guys, yan yun guys. Ang tawag nito, native na manok. Ah, yung pinatuyo na adobo pala to. So, ilawan muna natin kasi hanapin ko yung atay. Ang sana kaya yung atay nito. Adara! Kita dito ko yung atay mataba. Grabe, sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap. Salamat sa native na sa native na manok. Salamat kayo. Ginay na ko. Ay, itlog. Ayan. Hello? Ayan. Na, grabe. Dami kong nakain na kanin. Puti na lang kinasya na yung kanin. So, andito kami ngayon. So, natapos din kami pagkain. Ang sarap ng native na nawala na lang lipstick. Nawala na. So, that's it for tonight. Thank you for watching, everyone.